Welcome everyone. Thank you for tuning in. You're watching Data in Nutshell. Today, we will walk through how to fix common Excel formatting issues like handling fractions, preserving leading zeros in number, working with long numbers, and converting text dates into actual dates while handling fractions. If I go and write 1 divided by 2 and enter, and see it has changed the format to date format instead of fractions. So Excel tries to identify the format and it assigns it irrespective of what user is thinking. So to prevent this, let delete this and make it to general first. Now, before typing the data, if I go here and click on text, and now if I do 1 divided by 2 and enter, and you will see the data is 1 by 2. The fraction is as it is because this is taken as text. Similarly, leading zeros. In this also, if I go and type 00123, and you can see here it is general as of now. If I go and enter it, again click on this. So you can see it has removed the leading zeros in it. How to get that? Let's remove this. Click on this, click on text, and now 00123. Like this, you can add leading zeros in numbers if you want them as it is with the number. The third scenario is the long number, where you are putting data which is more than the width of the visible column, like this. And you can see that it has converted the number in a scientific format. Although in the formula bar, you can see the exact number here. So how to convert that? Go here and click on numbers. It will show hash, but just increase the width of the column and you can get the exact number here. And later on, you can reduce the decimal as well. After that, text date to actual date. So there are scenarios where we want to do calculation with dates, but if you have copied data from any other source, there are chances that you might get date in a text format. Now, how to convert that into actual format? So for this, so let's suppose our date is in text format, convert it into text 01-08-2025. So this is the text date. Now let's convert it into a normal date. For this, you have to delimit the data. Copy the data and paste it here adjacent to it and go to data. Then click on split text to columns. Click on customized and enter hyphen here. And you can see that 01-08-2025 are separated by hyphen. Now you have these three data points in these three cells. Now you can convert them back to date by using date formula. Date, year is this, comma, this is the month, comma, and this is the date, bracket, and here is your date. Now you can do the calculations you want, and you can see that you are getting the dates if you are adding number to it. That means it is fine and it is an actual date in Excel format. I hope this video will help you in your data formatting in Excel. Thanks for watching.